back at it again. Finally decided to get some work done on this pallet mate bar. Get in touch with Job today, but because he's not Anglo, he doesn't like to get up early in the morning apparently. So Saturday morning, it's like 9 a.m. up. I'm gonna make my way over there at some point. Just gonna go for Facebook Marketplace because he's got a larger car than mine. Bring some cargo straps in case we need to put it on the roof. Then I'm gonna bring it back over here and just get to work, probably on my own, because I think he's got plans and he doesn't really help me with this stuff. Well, either way, I gotta get it done. Too bored.
Should I just grab him? Or something? They say anything about taking though.
What you barking for, Willow?
What up, bro?
Here's the doggy.
Hello! How are you? Look, you're so excited! Oh, you're squishy today. Junker. What's he been feeding you?
It's the same shit.
Little bonus review of the Spring Edition sugar-free Red Bull Cherry Sakura flavor. Not bad, bro.
Yeah, you like it?
I think it's pretty good, yeah. No luck with the pallets by the house. Gates were locked where the sign was, and then even the ones that you could see beyond the gate look like shit. So I don't actually want to take any of those. So we're gonna do some covert ops around the parking lot of Target, maybe even a Walmart. And we're just gonna take them straight up, man. I mean, we're kind of doing them a favor because they're just waiting to get picked up. Just scored 4 of them. The local Walmart. Just throwing them out, man. It's too easy. You don't gotta go on Facebook Marketplace for this crap. Can you please put on your seatbelt? That it drives me nuts, man. It's like a fire alarm. Like you don't even register it. 4 locally sourced pallets. Homegrown. Homegrown, pasture-raised pallets. Organic. Which wise would look better. The only thing is, I kind of want it to have like a shelf here to just put plasters or whatever, but you could still do that. You could build one, yeah. This actually seems a little too big, actually. I just need a wee one, so you could just make it this big.
That's actually.
How do you get in? It's a good, and then just put a flat slab here.
We can make like a little.
Put some shelves underneath, and they're pretty much already there. I just want to pull these off. Pretty much all of them, actually.
Yeah, this backside. Yeah.
Dude, like, I'm not trying to make fun of you, but what the fuck? Like,
Can I get a large pizza, please? Pena?
And pineapple and jalapeno. And on that pizza, did you want the regular or the thin crust?
It'll be for pickup.
All right, your total's gonna be $35.85, and give me about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll have that ready for you.
did you consider consulting me about this, or did you know that I would say no to Goislop pizza on a Saturday with beers? I would have said yes anyway. Where did you order from?
The grandma's right here.
Oh, did that place get half?
Not amazingly cheap. Yes, I know it's a twist off, but it looks cooler.
We just romancing. Everything you do feels like magic. Turn around, baby, see what you're packing. You can have it.
My favorite combo is pepperoni, pineapple, black olives.
I just
Alright, y'all. Check out Grandma Tony's Pizza. You can see here, I don't know if you can see that, but the nice coloration on the cheese. It's like a slight speckling of a little burnt, but not, it's just enough. Just perfect brown on the top toppings are cooked in very nicely. Jalapeno, pepperoni, pineapple, Hoefer special, with, of course, a little blue cheese sauce. Everyone knows the rules.
This looks a little bit better than I remember. Heavy top, right? Not too bad on the flop rating though. It's in the good area, 5 to 30%. But yeah, top heavy, a lot of cheese. They put the pepperonis under the cheese. I hate that because it means it doesn't get crispy. Take one bite without the ranch sauce that they also provide. Right now it's hitting, but if you want a good comparison, it's Round Table pizza, man. Tastes like Round Table.
I don't think I've had Round Table. Well, I know this hits right now. I know you said you like the pepperoni a little crusty, or a little...
Yeah, so there's little edges where the pepperoni has come out of the cheese, but most of it's underneath.
Yeah.
Try a bit with a bit of ranch. Pretty good with the ranch. It's a bit overkill though. Undercarriage not too greasy. Sauce is average.
Yeah.
I have one question though. Why is it Grandma Tony? Grandma Tony? That is a male name. Secondly, this or Barrow's, which is better?
Barrow tastes more processed, I think.
Barrow's, it tastes like
You know it's the same.
Scotch pizza. That's okay. Their base price, no discount, but their base price is probably better.
Yeah, probably.
Ours is pretty cheap. How much was this without the discount?
Without, it was 35 for 2 large pizzas.
I guess that's pretty normal these days.
29.
Yeah, overall, I give it like a 7.1.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty middle of the road. Day one complete. Kind of still looks like shit, but hey, we got all the dirt scrubbed off, got the paneling done. Just need to make a little hatch on the side here, put something over the top, and stain this bad boy, you know? Trust me when I say it will look better when it's done. I'm gonna put some shelves up here. It took us like, what, 4 hours, bro? 4 hours to do that, which we could have just done as soon as we got in here. But hey, look, there's shelving. So you can put some of the bottles down here. I was going to put my fridge in here, but my mini fridge, but there's not really any room for that. I could just put it down here, but it just, you know, it does limit the amount of room you got in here. I don't know. Decide later.